Good morning, Crooked River. We are back with another rule video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about our bus circle, so lining up in the afternoon and some of our bus circle expectations. So you can see I'm standing here in the kindergarten through second grade hallway. For those of you third through fifth graders, you don't have to worry too much about this, but wanted to explain it for kindergarten through second grade. So on the wall right here, we have posted your bus number. As you can see, this is number 6. Number 3 is back here. Over on the other side, we have number 4. So whichever bus you are supposed to be on, you're gonna come and line up with your teacher when it's the end of the day and line up at your number. That way when you walk out, everyone is in the right spot, knows where they're going. So let's say Mr. Waite was walking down the hallway and he's looking for his number. Hey, Mr. Waite.
Hi.
What are you looking for?
I'm on Route 6.
There you go, Route 6. So, look at all these numbers, Mr. Waite. Do you see a number 6 anywhere on the wall?
I see it!
Perfect. So, Mr. Waite, should we be jumping up and touching the numbers while we're waiting?
Oh, I just got so excited that I found my bus.
I know.
Let me try again.
Yep, let's try it again. So, show us how to walk in the hallway, too. Awesome. And then you're gonna wait right here with the rest of your classmates and anyone else who's on your bus and your teacher. And then when we're ready, you'll walk all the way down. So join us, we'll go down to the outside and show you what to do from there. All right, so here we are. We just came out the doors onto the east side playground where 3rd through 5th graders go. I'm here with Mr. Waite as he's looking for bus route number 6. So, Mr. Waite, great job walking through here. We're gonna come out.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Oh, whoa. Hey, Mr. Waite.
Yeah, hey, come on, join me, it's so fun. Woo!
As much fun as the playground is, this is not the time to be playing on it. Because this is our time to be getting on the buses. So if everyone's running around, the buses are pulling in, it gets a little bit crazy, and we want to make sure that we get you guys home as soon as possible and at the right time. So when you come out, let's just stay on the sidewalk, no playing in the bark chips, no going on the playground equipment, no getting in a game of Gaga Ball.
And I should walk right down the middle?
Well, you're gonna be on one side, depending on which bus route you're on. So, when we were inside, you were on the right side of the hallway for bus route 6. So, you're gonna follow along the right side here. Your teacher will help guide you too.
And so I'm gonna go this way.
Hold on, Mr. Waite. Let's look at these signs. Do you see bus route number 6 on this one?
4987.
Nope.
I don't.
No 6. Let's check the other side.
I really want to go to the left.
Yeah, but we gotta find the right bus to get you home safely. Do you see Route 6 on here?
6.
Awesome. So, the arrow's pointing this way, which means you're gonna walk down this way.
And 6 is the first one, so does that mean it's the very last one?
Nope, if it's written first, it should be the very first bus that you come across.
So 6 is gonna be right here.
Yep.
Okay.
And, hold on, Mr. Waite. The buses are gonna be lined up here, and when they're pulling in, their mirrors kind of hang out over the sidewalk. So we've got this yellow line here, and that is your safety line to make sure you stay on the other side. Oh, Mr. Waite, that's some good balance, but
Thanks.
we probably aren't gonna walk on the line. Let's stay just on the other side of it.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right,
So
thank you.
we're gonna walk together. We'll come down here. Bus number 6 will be right here. You can go ahead and pull out your bus tag, which should be attached to your backpack.
Oh no, I forgot my backpack.
Oh, well, that's okay this time. But if the buses were here, you'd need to have it. So we'd have to send you to the office to get a new bus tag.
No, because I'm supposed to bring my backpack
Every day.
every day. Okay.
Every day. So let's say you did have your backpack with you. You would make sure the bus driver can see your bus tag wherever it's zip tied on, so that they can check and make sure you're on the right route and where you're gonna get off.
Perfect.
So you would get on the bus and we'd send you off for the day.
And when I get here in the morning, I just run for the door, right? Because I'm so hungry?
No, I know you probably are hungry when you get here, but we gotta
Starving.
make sure we're walking and staying on the inside, or the outside, I guess, of the yellow line.
Okay.
Yep. So stay on this side, walk all the way to the door where you'll be greeted by one of us.
Down the sidewalk, or can I cut through the gaga ball?
Stay on the sidewalk. Always stay on the sidewalk. Yep.
Okay.
There will be plenty of time during recess to play on the bark chips, gaga ball, playground, all of that.
Perfect.
You got it?
I think so.
All
You're
right.
a great teacher.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. You're a great student.
Well, I've been called worse.
All right. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.